Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new Nokia 8.35G. Look at its design as well as it is too much slim. I think is best mobile at €600, but if you will complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. So, let's talk about its configuration. First of all, it has 6.81 inches, 1080 x 2400 pixels, resolution display screen and screen type IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, 16M colors. It has Android 10.0 version Android 1. It has Qualcomm SDM765 Snapdragon 765G, 7 nanometers, chipset and octa-core, 1x 2.4 GHz Cryo 475 Prime and 1x 2.2 GHz Cryo 475 Gold and 6x 1.8 GHz Cryo 475 Silver, CPU and Adreno 620 GPU. It has card slot for external memory and it is available with 8GB and 6GB RAM and 1256 ROM. It has 4 back or main camera WHER. First camera is 64 MP, f/1.9, wide, PDAF camera. Second camera is 12 MP, f/2.2, 13 mm, ultra-wide, AF camera. Third camera is 2 MP, macro, camera. Fourth camera is 2 MP, depth, camera. It has single 24 MP, f/2.0, wide, selfie or front camera. It has fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass sensor. It has non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery. It has fast charging of 18W. It is available in polar night color. Its price is about €600. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe Amazon GF to get more video and discount, and if you like this video so please like and share my video. And complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. Goodbye.